In August 1984, the Republican Party held its national convention in Dallas, Texas, for the purpose of nominating its presidential candidate for the 1984 election. Incumbent President Ronald Reagan was essentially unchallenged. Outside the convention, there was protest activity, not unusual at these events. Protesters had taken down a US flag from a corporation's flagpole, and the flag was handed to Gregory Lee Johnson, who doused the flag in kerosene and set it alight to protest against Reagan and the influential corporations, while the crowd chanted, "America, the red, white and blue, we spit on you." Johnson was charged with desecration of a venerated object, had a large fine imposed and was sentenced to a year in prison. The appeals court overturned this conviction on the basis that flag burning was protected free expression under the First Amendment. That question came before the US Supreme Court, which held in a split decision that flag burning could be protected free expression. Justice Brennan said, "Johnson burned an American flag as part, indeed as the culmination, of a political demonstration that coincided with the convening of the Republican Party and its renomination of Ronald Reagan for president. The expressive, overtly political nature of this conduct was both intentional and overwhelmingly apparent." Texas argued that its law was justified because of the potential for Johnson's conduct to lead to breaches of the peace. Several witnesses claimed to have been seriously offended by his conduct burning the flag. However, the court found that mere serious offence cannot be equated with disturbances of the peace, and that Texas had other laws in place to prevent breaches of the peace. Indeed, the court found that giving offence may indeed be part of the very purpose of the First Amendment. Justice Brennan, quoting an earlier judgment, said the principal function of free speech under our system of government is to invite dispute. It may indeed best serve its high purpose when it induces a condition of unrest. If there is a bedrock principle underlying the First Amendment, it is that the government may not prohibit the expression of an idea simply because society finds the idea itself offensive or disagreeable. This judgment did not automatically grant First Amendment protection to the burning of an American flag. However, where the flag burning is conducted specifically to communicate or protest, that expressive conduct has First Amendment protection.